Hi there, Andrew Shear here with B&S Products Company, manufacturer of Harry's Hottapper. After years of use, your Hottapper will probably need to be rebuilt. All you're going to need is a few simple parts and a few tools and a little bit of help from us here at B&S. You're going to need a new packing, you're going to need a new O-ring, and you're going to need a new follower bushing. In addition to these parts, you're going to need a small screwdriver, some 3-in-1 oil, some black grease, and maybe an X-Acto to get the old packing out. Come on, I'll show you how it's done. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to disassemble our tapping machine here. You've got our nut. And as you can see in there, we've got the old packing. In a twisting motion, we're going to slide the body off the shaft. Set our shaft aside. Use a screwdriver. Remove the old packing. And you can either use your finger or a little piece of cloth to clean the well out to make sure there's nothing in there. Keep in mind to make sure you keep the threads clean, because the Kevlar graphite packing will gum up the threads. On the other side, we have our O-ring right here. And we're just going to take our screwdriver here, or take our X-Acto, remove the old O-ring. We've done there. We're going to take our new O-ring with a piece of provided 1/2-inch steel rod that is provided with the new O-ring, and push the steel rod up into the sealing unit. The O-ring, which is already pre-lubricated from B&S, and we're going to push our new O-ring in there. And as you can see, the O-ring is completely inserted now. We can take out our rod, and at this point we can lubricate the shaft. Take some grease, or some white lithium or some black grease around the edge of the shaft. Insert the shaft through the sealing unit using a twisting motion. And at this point, we can take some of our 3-in-1 oil and put some oil down inside this well. And then in a clockwise motion, take the new packing unit and run it back into the packing well. Using a clockwise motion. Packing is completely inside the well. We're going to take our new follower bushing over on top. Take our nut back on. Tighten it up, back it off a little bit, make sure the shaft can turn freely. And we're ready to make our next tap.